What's up guys, Josh Clouder from Visual Motor WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're going to learn a simple, fast, effective way and online to find, discover and fix broken links on your site. So broken links are really bad for SEO, for website optimization, for site navigation and for your site visitors who find these links. So how to fix this? Imagine that you have a very big website with tons of pages and it's hard for you to see, to discover, to spot broken links. If you are into this situation, there is a free solution for you. Go to Google and type Doctor Link Check. Click into the very first result, enter your site URL right here, and type on Start Search, okay? The tool gonna start searching for links on your site. More time you gave, more links they're gonna be able to find, okay? Keep waiting for the check, and right here we're gonna have an overview. The total amount of links that your site have, and the links with issues. The link types, top hosts, new links, and issue types. I will not cut the video so you can see the process happening, okay? And I will not go to the pro version of the tool. I'm gonna keep all for free. Just wait with more patience and you're gonna be able to see new results on link with issues, okay? And these link with issues are the ones that we need to search for and fix. To review, there is now 2 issues, and here are the broken links that I have on my site. Now, what I have to do is find these links and fix it in order to fix website SEO issues. Online, simple and free. We have the outbound option, the unsupported, we have some blocked ones, and we have the overview. Into the left sidebar, we can explore all the types. Simple, easy, and very effective.